Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making some chicken and broccoli and some steamed rice. So come on with me, guys. So now the first thing we're going to do is we are going to clean the 2 chicken cutlets that I'm going to use. We're going to slice that up in strips, and then we're going to cut it in little tiny cubes and put it in the pot. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of this collaboration is Simply Grace Lifestyle or the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I also have Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. So when you're working with chicken, actually any kind of meat, but especially chicken, you want to go ahead and wipe the area with a disinfectant and make sure and rinse everything off with soap before you start using it for something else. Now, my son and I love chicken cutlets, and we also absolutely love onion. So we incorporate onion in everything. But remember, you can replace the items that you don't like with something else. So in my home, we love onion. Lots of people do not like onion. So you can go ahead and replace that with what you like. I turned the stove on, and I am going to be using this ingredient right here. It's called adobo. It's a Spanish seasoning. It's actually a mixture of some seasoning together. And I always add my house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, or oregano, or Italian seasoning. So this always goes in the pot. I did put a nice amount of olive oil in there, and we are going to saute this until it's cooked. I'm probably also going to add a cup of water, saute that around, and then we want to cover it, lower the temperature a little bit, and just let that cook until that chicken is cooked all the way through. Now, instead of using a cube of the chicken bouillon, I use the powder form of the Goya. It's also the same thing. It just comes in a powder envelope. And I added one of those to this mixture right here. We're going to saute it like we're doing now, and then we're going to cover it. Now in the pot next to it, I decided to steam some white rice. We absolutely love rice, so we washed that up really good, and we just put enough water just above the rice. I'm going to say about 1/2 inch above the rice is how I did it. And I also drop a little bit of olive oil in there and some salt, and we're going to let that rice steam and cook. Now, some people don't touch the rice at all until it's fully cooked, but I do come in once or twice to turn that rice around just to make sure it's being cooked from all over. So I waited about 1/2 an hour. That rice is cooked, so as you saw, I moved that over to the side. But the chicken has a little bit longer to cook because I am going to add some broccoli to it, frozen broccoli, and this is going to bring the temperature down, so we have to bring that back up again. And then we want to steam that through until it's tender, not till it breaks up, but until it's tender. So I went and got my plate, and I'm getting ready to serve, guys, because I feel hungry. My son's not home from work yet, so I'm going to go ahead and portion some out for myself. And then we're going to head on over to the reveal so you can see how this came out. Now, doesn't this look absolutely amazing? I love it. It came out delicious, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.